नमस्कार दोस्तों, डीआरवी न्यूज़ में आपका स्वागत है। मुंबई प्रेस क्लब में 21 फरवरी 2025 गायतोंडे बिटवीन टू मिरर्स का विमोचन किया जाएगा। चिन्हा ने भारत के महानतम कलाकारों में से एक वीएस गायतोंडे के जीवन और कार्य पर एक व्यापक खंड के विमोचन की घोषणा की है, जिनका निधन 2001 में हुआ था। पत्रिका चिन्ह और वेबसाइट चिन्ह आर्ट न्यूज़ के संस्थापक संपादक सतीश नायक ने गायतोंडे के जीवन और कार्य को याद करने के लिए पत्रिका का एक विशेष अंक प्रकाशित किया है। इस अंक में गायतोंडे के परिवार के सदस्यों, मित्रों और करीबी सहयोगियों द्वारा लिखे गए कई लेख शामिल थे। यह अंक श्री नायक के ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट कलाकार पर एक व्यापक पुस्तक के लिए प्रेरणा बन गया है। उन्होंने ऐसी सामग्री की खोज में महीनों और वर्षों बिता दिए जो एकांत प्रिय कलाकार के अपनी कला, अपने परिवार और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण रूप से जैन बौद्ध धर्म की और उनकी आध्यात्मिकता यात्रा का साथ संबंध पर प्रकाश डाल सके।
When he started climbing the steps of JJ School of Art as a student, and that was the first time he saw one of the paintings of Gaitonde hung on the wall. Gaitonde was a student of JJ School of Art. Apparently both of us are JJ School of Art students. I'm a teacher there. He passed away sometime, long ago. But yes, 50 years ago he saw one of the paintings hung on the wall. As a child, obviously a young youth, he was very obsessed with the type of colors and applications on the canvas, which was very unique to any Indian to perform. And he got trapped with it and started following the path as to understand who the artist was. Now, as he said earlier, by the time he realized that he is actually in love with the work, Gaitonde had already left the city and gone to Delhi. Now, this is again a tragedy of the life because Mumbai didn't give him what he deserved. So this is where I feel, this is the whole enigma. So he had to go to Delhi where the houses were in affordable prices. Not that he really got a good name there, but he constantly worked and then the accident brought down everything. But whatever he has worked in his life, in that span of time, is extraordinary. Alright, there are many things that the book connects with me, but one thing that connects to me is there's one scene that which comes multiple times is when he sits in Gulabhai Desai Road and he dives his eyes into the waves of the sea. I connect that to my mind because I feel anyone who is larger than life can be only compared with the skies or the seas, and Gaitonde is like that. So I think that's the connection I feel.
What this book give to the youth?
The constant efforts to strive back like a hero without being a hero. So silent hero, as you can say. And I think that was his journey to perform the better than the best as his own self version, better version of himself. He never wanted to be Hussein or he never wanted to be Paul Klee. He never said that. He never wanted to be. He was just trying to become better and the best version of himself. This is something very unique. Today we see a lot of youth getting inspired by I want to become this and that. But Gaitonde was solely an incubator, which was, I think, it takes a lot of time to have that inward journey. That's something incredible about him.
सभी कार्यों को प्रकाशित किया है। गायतोंडे के सारे कार्य को प्रकाशित किया है। इसको इतना लंबे समय लगा है, साथ ही साथ उन्होंने कोशिश की है कि उस कलाकार को आज पूरी दुनिया जाने और ये विदेशों तक भी जाए। ये पुस्तक का विमोचन हुआ है और ये उनके लिए सबसे बड़ा ट्रिब्यूट 23 फरवरी 2025 में होगा। डीआरवी न्यूज़ से मनीषा जोशी की रिपोर्ट। ऐसी खबरों के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। धन्यवाद।